Solve 2x squared minus 8x equals 0 by factoring out the GCF first. We identify the greatest common factor open bracket GCF close bracket of the terms, which is 2x, to factor it out and simplify the equation. By factoring out the GCF 2x, we rewrite the equation in a factored form, which helps in solving for x. We apply the zero product property to the factored equation, which states that if the product of two factors equals 0, then at least one of the factors must be 0. We solve each equation separately to find the values of x that satisfy the original equation.